In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable all notifications in Hubstaff. If you're finding yourself overwhelmed with notifications or simply want a cleaner, distraction-free workspace, this guide will lead you through the steps to turn off these notifications swiftly and easily. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your Hubstaff dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the profile icon. This is your gateway to various settings related to your account, so go ahead and click on it. The icon is typically represented by either your profile picture or a placeholder icon if you haven't uploaded one. Clicking here opens a drop-down menu containing several options that manage various aspects of your profile and settings. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled User Settings and Billing. This selection will take you to a different page where you can manage your personal account settings, including billing information. This particular section consolidates settings that directly affect your user experience on the platform, making it the perfect place to manage our notifications. Once you've clicked on User Settings and Billing, look for the tab labeled Notifications. Click on this tab. This page is crucial as it gives you control over what types of notifications you receive from Hubstaff. Notifications can come in many forms, such as emails or in-app alerts. So having control over these settings can significantly streamline your workflow. After accessing the notifications panel, you will see a variety of options related to how you receive updates and alerts from Hubstaff. But to make this process simpler for those seeking a comprehensive one-step solution, you will notice an option that allows you to disable all notifications at once. This option is usually found prominently within the notification settings for ease of access. Simply click on Disable All Notifications. And there you have it. With a few straightforward clicks, you've successfully turned off all notifications in Hubstaff. Now you can enjoy a more focused and distraction-free environment to carry out your daily tasks. Remember, anytime you need to turn notifications back on, you can revisit these settings and adjust them as needed. Keep in mind that while turning off notifications can help reduce distractions, it's also important to stay updated with essential communications that help you stay on top of your projects and tasks. I hope this tutorial was helpful and your Hubstaff experience is now more peaceful and efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions or need additional clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Happy working!